Hi there, this is John from JVS Visual, and this is just a quick shot to show another EH2W9000 that belongs to Mark from Sutton Coalfield. This is your projector being repaired and up and running. So if you can give me a good review on YouTube, on my YouTube channel, I really appreciate it. So off we go. There we go, the flashing on the top, which is the function. Okay, and you can hear the slider going across. You'll hear the door open on the front. There we go. Then you'll see the lamp strike. Here it comes. And then the image on screen, and there's your Epson logo upside down because it is ceiling mounted. So as you can see, it's all up and running, and there you go. And there's the blank screen. Obviously it's blank because there's no input into it, but as you can see, it's all up and running. Alright, and thanks for your custom. Thank you, Mark. Bye bye.